Hello, I'm Dr. Nisa Khan. It's time for our next live workshop. We're holding these workshops every other month, demonstrating the major shortcomings of modern math, physics, and engineering, and offering better ways to think and solve science and engineering problems. Our next workshop will be held live on July 24th, 2026 at 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Savings Time. The topic of this workshop is AI is quietly revealing the uselessness of modern math and physics, and what does AI really run on? In our last workshop, we discussed whether we or AI currently think when we do mathematics. In the upcoming workshop, we will discuss the following. Does AI really use major math or physics theories and axioms to compute? In my latest book, I have extensively talked about the fact that most math and physics axioms haven't been proven at the fundamental level. To some people's disappointment, perhaps, AI doesn't know how to prove them either. But AI seems to work quite well for some things, like pattern recognition and generating fake videos. AI does so using LLM models that employ statistics on collected data, but AI is quite bad at solving new problems and making new predictions. But the fact remains that AI and human scientists are still stuck as to why there seems to be a correlation between some real-world scenario A and its projection in the data world W by means of natural logarithm. Meanwhile, the academic world is still infatuated with some famous integral formulas shown here. But most don't realize that these integrals do not belong in Cartesian coordinates, and therefore these graphical representations are simply wrong. So can AI come to the rescue? Dr. Alan Rayner will be my co-presenter of this workshop. Alan has been talking about natural inclusion for science and humanity as opposed to Darwin's natural selection. This natural inclusion is, in fact, a real mathematical description of natural physicality. Alan and I both have been demonstrating in our workshops that we must start with reality that is based on natural relationships among entities, which is also then compatible with causal models. Currently, AI and human intellectuals are starting with abstract models. In AI, LLM and big data are in fact abstract. So perhaps it will be AI that at some juncture spits out a conclusion that modern math and physics in their abstract forms are really useless for dealing with the real world scenarios. So join us on July 24th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, discussing why AI could reveal the uselessness of modern math and science. Please register at my Thinkific website using this URL link. Namaskar.